Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to share your YouTube video on Instagram story. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Instagram app right here. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click this plus icon on the bottom middle of your screen. After that, just click or post your picture that you want to post. So like this one here, and then after that, let's click this right here and then search for link. After that, click this one right here and then just paste your link that you want to post. So after that, click done again, and then as you can see, we now have here the link that we are going to use. And then after that, you're done with this, just click this next button. After that, click share again and then click done, and after that, you are now good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.